Hello everyone. My name is Torun. Once again, welcome to PE World. I guess you have watched my last two videos where I stated about the growth and development and the difference between growth and development of the human being. In one of my videos, I have stated about the stages of growth and development in brief. If you have not watched those videos, please subscribe our channel and watch those videos. Here in this video, I am going to talk about the stages of growth and development in detail. Therefore, I would request you to watch the entire video and have the knowledge. Let's understand the different life stages of human growth and development through our presentation. First of all, let's understand the different stages of human growth and development with the age group. Infancy 0 to 1 year, early childhood 1 to 5 years, late childhood 5 to 12 years, adolescence 12 to 19 years, early adulthood 19 to 40 years, middle adulthood 40 to 65 years, late adulthood 65 years and up. To understand the different stages of human growth and development, we should know the four major areas to focus: physical development, mental development, emotional development and social development. All four developments above occur in each stage. Infancy, age birth to 1 year old. Here, dramatic and rapid changes will be observed in the infants. Physical development. In this particular stage, they will start rolling over, crawl, walk and grasp objects. Mental development. In this particular stage, infants will be started responding to cold, hunger and pain by crying. They will begin to recognize surroundings and become aware of surroundings and the people. Next, emotional development. They will start showing anger, distrust, happiness, excitement, etc. Social development. Self-centeredness concept of the newborn to recognition of others in their environment will be observed. Infants are dependent on others for all their needs. Early childhood, age 1 to 5 years old. Physical development. In this stage, growth is slower than the infancy. Muscle coordination allows the child to run, climb, move freely. They can write and draw, use a fork and knife. Mental development. In this stage, verbal growth progresses. Their attention span becomes short. They become curious and ask questions. They recognize letters and some words. Emotional development. In this stage, they develop self-awareness and recognize the effect they have on the other people and things. Children feel impatience and frustration as they try to do things beyond their abilities. Social development. In this stage, children will be having strong attachment towards their parents. Needs are the food, shelter, protection, love and security. Late childhood, age 5 to 12 years. Physical development. Physical development becomes slow but steady. Muscle coordination is well developed and children can engage in physical activity that require complex motor sensory coordination. Mental development. It happens quickly and much of the child's life centers around school. Reading and writing skills are learned. Understand abstract concepts like honesty, loyalty, values and morals. Emotional development. In this stage, the child achieves greater independence and a more distinct personality. Fears are replaced by the ability to cope. Social development. Changes from activities by themselves to more group-oriented activities are observed. They are more ready to accept the opinions of others and learn to conform to rules and standards of behavior. Needs are the same as infancy and early childhood, along with the needs of reassurance, parental approval and fear acceptance. Adolescence, age 12 to 19 years old. Physical development. Growth spurts, muscle coordination slows, development of sexual organs and secondary sexual characteristics are observed. Secretion of sex hormones leads to the onset of menstruation in girls and the production of sperm and semen in boys. Body shape and form changes. Mental development. Here most of the foundations have been set. Development primarily involves increase in the knowledge and sharpening of the skills. Here they learn to make decisions and accept responsibilities for actions. Emotional development. Emotional development is often stormy and in conflict in this particular age group. Adolescents try to establish their identities and independence. They respond more and more to peer group influences. Social development. In this particular stage, they spend less time with the family and more time with the peer groups. They attempt to develop self-identity and independence and seek security from their peers. Towards the end of this stage, they develop a more mature attitude and develop patterns of behavior that they associate with adult behaviors. Early adulthood, age 19 to 40 years old. Physical development. Basically, physical development is complete in this particular stage. Muscles are developed and become strong. Motor coordination is at its peak. Mental development. Young adults seek additional education in this particular stage. They choose careers and independence. Emotional development. Young adults are subjected to many emotional stresses related to career, marriage, family, etc. Social development. In this particular stage, people move away from their peer group and adults tend to associate with the others who have similar ambitions. Most people find a mate and begin a family. Middle adulthood, 40 to 65 years of age. Physical development. In this particular stage, hair becomes grey and thin, wrinkles are observed on the skin, muscle tone decreases, hearing loss, visual acuity loses. In this particular stage, people gain weight. Mental development. Mental development can continue to increase. People become confident decision makers and excellent at analyzing situations. Emotional development. This can be a period of contentment and satisfaction for this particular age group. Social development. Family relationships can decline as children begin lives of their own and parents die. Divorce rates are high. Friendships are with people with similar interest and lifestyle. Late adulthood, 65 years of age and off. Physical development on the decline. Skins become dry and wrinkles, age spots appear, hair becomes thin, muscles lose tone and strength. Mental development varies. People who remain mentally active are willing to learn new things tend to show fewer signs of decreased mental ability. Memory loss can occur and reasoning ability can diminish. Emotional stability also varies in this particular stage. Social development. Retirement can lead to loss of self-esteem, lost identity, death of spouse and friends cause changes in social relationships. Thank you so much for watching this entire video. Please subscribe our channel and share with your friends. And do not forget to like and comment too.